This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make yellow hard-boiled eggs. Start by placing room temperature eggs in a pot and covering them with cold water by 1 inch. Bring to a gentle boil, then reduce to a simmer and cook for the precise time recommended. Transfer eggs immediately into an ice bath to stop cooking and preserve vibrant yellow yolks for perfect texture and color. Gently bring the water to a boil and then lower to a steady simmer for consistent heat. Simmer times are key to creamy yellow yolks without dryness. Use a covered pot to keep temperature stable and avoid a rolling boil that can crack shells. Carefully time your simmer and then plunge eggs into an ice bath to halt cooking, preserve color, and make peeling easier for attractive, well-textured results. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more simple kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice timers to your cooking routine, which is great when you need both hands busy with boiling and peeling. It's compact, sounds nice for kitchen podcasts, and helps keep track of simmer times without touching your phone. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Tap and roll each egg to create a network of cracks, then peel starting at the wider end where an air pocket helps separation. Peeling under gentle running water loosens membrane bits and speeds cleanup while protecting yolk color. If prepping ahead, keep peeled eggs submerged in cold water in a sealed container in the fridge to maintain texture and color. These small steps make bright yellow yolks and smooth whites every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.